Hi guys, we are from Group 8, Group Penguinon, and today we are having experiment 13, which is plate heat exchanger. So as you can see here, we have the model HE200, which actually comes with the Alfa Laval plate heat exchanger and two stainless steel sump tanks for the hot and cold water supplies. Looking at those blue plates, those two blue plates is actually the heat exchanger. And what we have on the bottom left is actually the water tank for the hot water, and at the bottom right is going to be the water tank for the cold water.
Hi guys, this is vessel number 1, which is hot water. This is the inlet for the vessel, and then this is heater to heat up the hot water, and then we use the pump to flow the hot water to heat exchanger. And this one will be our vessel number 2, which is cold water. This is the inlet, and then we also use the pump to flow the cold water into heat exchanger.
In general, there will be 3 parts of this experiment. On the left would be your hot water flow rate control, which can be controlled by this pipe over here. And on your right is the cold water flow rate control, which will be controlled by this valve over here. This entire experiment will be conducted twice, which is for co-current and counter current, and each part would have 3 tables, which would be the effect of hot water flow rate, effect of cold water flow rate, and effect of hot water temperature. While experimenting on effect of hot water flow rate, the hot water flow rate would be the manipulated variable, and the cold water flow rate would be a constant. Whereas while experimenting the effect of cold water flow rate, the cold water flow rate would be the manipulated variable and would be changed, whereas the hot water flow rate would be constant. Later on, for the third part, which is the effect of hot water temperature, the temperatures would be varied from 50 up to 60 degrees Celsius.
Okay, next for the temperature. Okay, we have to wait for the right temperature here to be the same as this one, which is 50. We have to wait this one to be same as this, and then we take this reading, and then this one is the indicator, which means that this is the T4, and then we can rotate it to T1, T2, T3 and T4, and we get the reading here. Okay, that's all.